What's up, family? This is your boy Ivan Hall, the Credit King. Are you thinking about filing for bankruptcy? Would you like to know of a few alternatives to bankruptcy? When you're in a financial bind, bankruptcy is not the only way out. There are many alternatives to bankruptcy if you are willing to put out the time and energy. It could save you much unnecessary hassle. Bankruptcy is a difficult decision to make, so it is best if there is another solution out there for you. Begin by calling your creditors. Most are willing to work with you if you explain to them your situation. Tell them you are considering bankruptcy. In many cases, creditors are willing to work out a different payment plan with you. Don't hide from them. Either be straightforward and open about your financial situation. Before filing bankruptcy, take a good long hard look at your finances. Get organized and begin writing out a budget. Start with your monthly income and deduct your monthly household expenses. Understand how you are spending your money and seek out where you can make cutbacks. Perhaps buying groceries in bulk, or cutting back on phone services or cable services. Every little thing helps. Next, you will want to take a look at your credit cards. You may be able to take the balance from one with a higher interest to a lower interest one. Then get rid of those high interest credit cards altogether. Stay away from paying off credit cards with credit cards. Other things you can try are refinancing a car loan or a mortgage. Or perhaps you have some family members or friends who are willing to pitch in to help pay off high-rate debts and avoid bankruptcy. But remember, this is a loan, so when you are in a better situation, do make sure to pay back those who were kind enough to help you out. Get your financial house in order and go get that money.